All right, number 8. Okay, so here we could technically do the old method, but there's something very interesting about all these problems. Do you notice how they have all these parallel lines here? Take a look. All right, there's this, which is parallel to this. This is parallel to this, and then this is parallel to this. This means we can use the side splitter theorem. Okay, splitter, not slipper. All right, so this means something interesting. 5, which is this part, can be divided by 15. This part is going to match up with this part, q over 24. This is only possible because of the side splitter, I think that's how you said theorem. Okay, and then we can cross multiply. Let's see, 5 times 24 is equal to 9 times 15. Oh, sorry, not 9, q times 15. This becomes 15q, and on the right hand side, 24 times 5, that is 120. 120 divided by 15, that is q is equal to 8. Okay, so let's do this the other way, right? The small triangle and the big triangle. Here's the small triangle, 5 and q, and the bigger triangle would have been, I think, 20 and 24 plus q. Okay, let's make this red. We can make this green and green. All right, the proportion should still work. So we have red and red 5 and 20. That's going to be equal to, let's say, q, and the bottom here is 24 plus q. Right, let's cross multiply. That is 20q, 20 times q, and then we have 5 parentheses 24 plus q. Okay, all right, let's do some multiplication here. 20 times q is 20q. 5 times 24, it is 120 plus 5q. Okay, we minus 5q minus 5q. This becomes 15q is equal to 120. See, that's identical. Divide by 15, divide by 15, you get q equals to 8. You see, both methods does work. Okay, this is the old method where you compare the triangle, and this is the new method when you use the side splitter. Again, this is only possible for parallel lines. Okay, so this one we can do the same thing. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, this one's interesting. Hold on, let's see. If this is 20, this is 24 minus c, and this is c, right? Okay, so it's 24 minus c divided by c, right? So red, and the second part is red. Okay, so 24 minus c divided by c is going to be equal to, okay, this piece, 20 divided by 12. Okay, like that. Cross multiply. 12 parentheses 24 minus c is equal to c times 20. All right, let's do that multiplication. So 12 times 24, that gets you 288. And that is a minus 12c is equal to 20c. Add 12c to both sides, because this is the only way we get that to cancel on the left hand side. 288 is equal to 32c. We divide by 32 to both sides. You get 288 divided by 32. You get c equals to 9. And then c here. All right, so this looks, the bottom part here is z minus 55, because the whole thing is 55. So we have z divided by z minus 55 is equal to 12 over 32. Now we can cross multiply. Z times 32, and then we have 12 parentheses z minus 55. All right, z times 32 is 32z is equal to 12z minus 12 times 55 is 660. Let's see, 12 minus 12z to both sides. This gets you 20z is equal to negative 660 divided by 20 to both sides. This cancels. Z is equal to, it's negative, right? Negative 660 divided by 20. That gets you z is equal to negative 33. This doesn't look right. This does not look right. Let me double check. It's late at night. Give me a break. Okay, so let me double check. 1232 z over z minus 55. Okay, so we have z times 32, 32z. We have 12 times z and 12 minus 55. Let's do that. 12 times negative 55. That's 660. Okay, minus 12x minus 12x. 32 minus 12 is 20. Good. Negative 660 divided by 20. Yep, that looks right. I double checked the numbers. Okay, that's weird. Z is apparently a negative number here. Okay, all right, there you go. That's how you find the values.